Hi Priyanshu, hi Anu, hi Nandita, hi Shakil, hi B.S. Santa, hi Ajaz, hi Madhu, hi Akshay. All right, thanks a lot for locking on, guys. My name's Arun, and I'm going to be your trainer for this session. Before I begin this session, as you can see, the topic is about different cultures today. But before I begin, I want to initiate a quick discussion here in class about the precautions that people should take to prevent the spread of coronavirus. All right, let's talk to Priyanshu. Hi, Priyanshu.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. So, what
Yes.
precautions have you been taking, sir?
Sorry, sir.
What precautions have you been taking to prevent coronavirus?
Yes, sir. I am not going outside my house. Inside my house, I do various type of activities like learn English for Ngru app. I attend many classes. Uh, and also I am getting get, and also watching movies and news, English news, because English news is helpful for learning English, and etc. That's it.
Okay, so Priyanshu, my question was, what are the precautions you are taking to prevent coronavirus?
Just sorry, I can't understand this
Okay,
question.
precautions means what are the safety measures you have
Yes,
taken,
sir.
like washing your hands?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir. I am washing my hands, and also I am going outside my house, so I cover my mouth and nose also, and also permit, and also, sir, that's it.
Okay, all right. So wearing mask and then sanitizing your hands. Okay, fair enough, Priyanshu. Yes, Nandita.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I'm maintaining the social distancing with others, and I cover my face with a mask and use the hand sanitizers and wash my hands frequently with the hand washes. And when I eat, I would like to wash all of the um, utensils again, and then I put my foods on the utensils and use the spoon, obviously.
Okay, so you're saying you wash your utensils thoroughly before using.
Yes.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Thank you, Nandita. Hi, Anu. You want to add something?
Y- Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Uh, I I protect myself from coronavirus by maintain social distancing and covering my face and washing hand within 20 minutes.
Okay.
So that's all.
Okay. All right, guys. Does anybody else have anything else to add to this? So we have social distancing, washing your hands, washing utensils. Akshay, do you want? No, Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you want to add something?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in other side, outside, buy two vegetable or everything. Uh,
Mhm.
vegetable are boiled in water, added to uh, vinegar. It is boiled proper and then use.
Ah, okay.
And other fruits and other things are clean properly and then use. It is my precaution in my home.
Absolutely. That's very nice. That's very nice, Akshay. Thanks for bringing that up. So, Akshay is saying that every time we buy something from the market or anything we bring from outside, like milk packets, vegetables, fruits, etc., make sure we wash them first before we bring them in contact with any surfaces inside the house or with any family members. Right? Yes, Anu, you want to add something, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I also drink warm water after
Ah,
boiling water. So that's one thing I want to add.
Okay, all right, that's good. So drinking warm water is another tip that Anu has given us. Yes, Shakil. Yes, sir. Quickly.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I also drink for boost my immunity, ginger water
Okay.
and means uh, sir, when I regularly go outside, I come home and bath and
Okay.
taking bath
Okay.
and keep the clothes outside and wash it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This is
All right. All right, sir. Thank you very much. Shakil, you said
yes,
I ratherly go outside. Ratherly or I rarely go outside.
rarely. Sorry,
Hmm.
by mistaken, I will say.
No problem. No problem. So you said I take bath. I take bath or have a shower.
I okay. Have a
So,
shower.
so having a bath means you have a bathtub in your house.
No. I
So
have
having a
taken.
bath is only related to a bathtub. Most of the people in India, they say I'm going to have a bath. I'm going to take a bath. Bath is not possible unless you have a bathtub in the house.
Okay.
Otherwise, you should say I'm going to have a shower. So even if it is a bucket and a mug, you're still showering water on your head. That is still having a
Mm.
shower.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, all right. Yes, Priyanshu, you want to add something, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yoga, sir. Doing yoga in morning because I read a news in newspaper. Ki in Delhi, some quarantine patients are feel very good from yoga.
Okay, all right.
Yoga.
So that's a good tip. That's a good tip. So Priyanshu says we should do yoga. It's going to really help us to prevent coronavirus. Okay, all right, perfect. All right, Madhu. Hi, Madhu. Quickly.
Yes, sir. Sir, I try to keep my house clean
Hmm.
and try to sanitize the main door stand and the windows stand when we use everything touch there. This place I clean. I try to clean and sanitizer.
Okay, so Madhu is saying she sanitizes her surroundings and her home.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fair enough. Yes. Okay, guys. So I think we'll move on. Hi, Nandita.
Yes, sir. I want to add one thing that if we have any fever or any cough and cold diseases, then we can talk with the doctor and without doing late, we can go to the healthcare or talk to the government agencies to about this because we don't know that we have corona or not. So
Ah,
we should discuss about this. And also, I want to add one thing that if when we back from our market or anywhere, so we should wash our hands properly and also we can take off our clothes and take a bath.
right. Okay. Have a shower. Okay, so Nandita is saying we should, if we have symptoms like fever or cough, we should immediately get that checked. It may not be corona, but then it's better to get it checked at the nearest facility, health facility, right? Okay, so guys, I'm not going to bore you with a lot of coronavirus because the government is doing a good job. The media is doing a good job doing that. All that they show you is coronavirus. Now, today, let's start our lesson. As you see on your screens, the lesson for today is about different cultures. We'll learn to talk about different cultures. We'll learn some vocab and we'll get some speaking practice. All right, so I'm going to ask a few questions to some people here. Ejaz and Amir. Ejaz? Hi, Ejaz. Nope, Ejaz can't be reached. Baban?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am? Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Bhavan, why do people from different countries greet each other differently?
People from different countries greet each other differently because they have different culture.
Okay.
Yeah. Every country has its culture,
Yeah, good.
different culture, and
Yes.
as per their culture, they greet each other by different way.
Absolutely, Bhavan. Very nice, very nice. Yes. So every country has a different culture, and then people greet according to the culture. Uh, Ajaz, I think there is loud music playing at the back, so you might want to sit in a quiet environment. Rakesh. Hi, Rakesh. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. So, do you want to say something? Why do people from different countries greet each other differently?
So the different people are different. Their living styles are different. Their thinkings are different. So they are contributing different type of culture and any other things. Sir. Because they are how they think, how they live in the different society. So it's depend upon the what they are thinking and what they are doing in this society. So I think it's depend upon the what they thinking. Sorry, what they are living in the what is the effect of the environment and the society values. They all are involved in this. These are the factors so that the different culture and
Right. So these are the factors that determine the way people, I mean, that actually factor the way people greet each other.
yeah, right. The different type of thinking and different type of living styles. It's all are depend on these are the factors so that these are the different type of cultures. It might be
Okay. All right, Rakesh. Thank you. That's a good answer. Nandita.
Yes, sir. I think that when we are new in a country or in a different culture, then the people can people can welcome us with people can give us a warm welcome, and this is called greeting. So this can be namaste, or they can shake our hands, or whatever they have. What kind of cultures they have, they can greet us like that.
Right. Okay. Nandita also says that it depends on their culture. Okay. Agreed. Does somebody else have anything else to add? Okay. Let me ask a different question to Veena. Veena,
Yes, sir.
Veena, why do people from different countries wear different clothes?
They have different traditions, traditional dresses. Sir.
Okay.
Different country have different tradition, their culture, their own culture. So they wear different dress.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay. Okay. And why do different dress or different clothes?
Different clothes, sir.
Yeah. And why do they greet each other differently?
Because of their culture. They have their own culture, sir.
Okay. All right. So, all right, Veena. Thank you. Rakesh. Yes, sir.
yes.
You want to say
Sir,
something?
sir, I want to say, sir, it's depend upon, sir, it's depend upon the other, what they are thinking and what are the, what they learn from this. Hello.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can hear you. I can hear you. Please go ahead.
yes, sir. Uh, what the seniors and any other they adopt things from the seniors are sorry, I want to say that if I can't explain because mm, they adopt the things from the seniors what they are giving to the juniors or anything so that it depend upon that thing.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Rakesh, you said
Yeah,
it depends upon or depends on?
depends upon sir.
Not upon, depends on.
Depends on right. Sir.
Right? They adopted from their seniors or traditions are passed on over generations. They are passed on over
I write
generations.
sir over generation. I write something.
Junior, senior is school, right? School,
Yeah,
college.
yes sir. Because the word is not in my.
Yeah, yeah. So they
I
are
cannot
passed over generations.
pass over generation.
Passed.
Past over generation.
Yeah.
Past. PACD.
Yes. Okay. All right, Rakesh. Thank you. Somebody else is also raising hand. Let's quickly talk to them. Akshay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I think I think different countries wear different clothes. Is a basic thing. Is their different weather condition.
Okay, all right, good. Yes.
Sir, in weather condition in our country, in India country, in Himalayas, wearing people's wearing clothes is so different to
Mhm.
Karnataka's. Means, sir, the weather conditions are different. Weather condition is most important factor uh, in this subject, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, very good. I totally agree.
Yes, sir. That is my sir answer. It is about to uh, weather condition. All are about the weather condition.
Okay, all right. So weather plays a big deciding factor in clothes. Akshay,
Sir.
is that what you said? You said weather is a big deciding factor in the clothes
Yes,
people wear.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So the word
Yes,
you
sir.
wanted to
It's a
say was
basic. It is
deciding
a
factor.
basic factor, sir.
Okay.
First basic factor.
Okay, all right. Akshay, thank you. Yes, Shakil, yes, sir. You want to say something?
Same things I want to say that
Hmm.
it depends on the weather conditions. If we see the European countries, they wear coat pants and jackets, and in African countries, their environment is hot, so they wear a silk cottons and means less cloth. Uh, and sir, it is also depends on the uh, past generations, and they follow their traditions.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the
Okay.
main reason, sir.
Okay, all right. So it is a combination of traditional factors and also weather.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Shakil says it's a combination of weather and tradition. Let's put that on the board here. So let's put a few points on the board. So some people said combination of weather and traditions. That's a good point. Some people also said style of thinking, even better put, style of perception. Okay, all right, fair enough. Uh, Priyanshu, yes, sir. Do you want to say something, sir?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Firstly, I will talk to about greet. I'm seeing fourth and fifth picture. It is a very different way to greet some other. Many countries and person express its feeling with greet, and also wearing different clothes according to his weather condition and climate. That's it.
Okay, so the same. So it depends on the weather.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, fair enough. Thanks, Priyanshu. Let's go to somebody else here. Madhu.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is depend your climate. If it is depend your weather. According to we have to take a food different. Like if the climate is cloudy, wintry, and we have to take some different food. So it is a depend on your body is digest can digest according their your place, and we should have to wear clothes also according your climates. So and we something we adopt from your elders also with some culture.
Okay.
um, so it is depend your climates area, and I think.
All right, Madhu. Thank you. So you're pretty much saying the same thing. You said combination of, sorry, not on, combination of weather and transition. Guys, so I made a spelling mistake here. Little mistake. It's combination of and not combination on. This one is off. Okay. All right, guys. So Madhu also pretty much said the same thing. It's a combination of your the weather there. Yeah. But then Madhu, you said one thing. Who's Madhu? It was you, right?
Yes, sir.
Madhu, you said it is depend or it depends. It depends on the weather.
It depends.
Not it's it.
It
depends
depends on your weather.
on your weather or on the weather.
Okay, on the weather. It depends on the weather.
Yeah.
Yes,
On the you can also say climate, because climate is something climate is something for extended period. Weather is temporary, so weather can be different every
So
day.
we
The weather
should-
changes.
We should use climate.
Climate,
It's
yes.
better than
Yes.
weather.
Right? Climatic conditions.
Okay, sir. Climatic condition.
Good.
It depends on climatic conditions.
Conditions.
Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Guys, let's move on. Let's go to the next one here. So, guys, let's learn some important vocabulary that's going to help us talk about this. Right. So, I want one of you to read it out. Who can? Ajaz. Hi, Ajaz. Ajaz cannot be reached. Okay. B.A. Santa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
Different, similar, foreign, local, traditional, modern, unique, culture, diversity, interesting.
Okay. What is number 7, ma'am?
Seventh one is unique.
Okay. Unique.
Unique. Okay.
All right. Can you say something? Can you talk something that is unique about a particular culture?
Unique.
Any
What do
unique,
you are?
any unique.
Unique
thing.
means united, no?
No. Unique means something that is exclusive to one culture. So this happens only in this culture. This doesn't happen in that culture. That's unique to this culture.
What I said.
For example, in the French culture, so they kiss the cheeks when they say hello, right?
Okay.
That is unique to their culture.
South African, they have black in color, no? Not in color, no?
Huh?
We don't mention the colors. A Chinese face is different from Indian's face, no?
It's not about the face or the structure, ma'am. Unique culture, something to do with the culture.
Okay.
So face, color, shapes, all these are racist comments. We should not use that.
Okay.
Yeah, we're talking about culture. For example, Indian culture, right? So, folding your hands or putting your hands together, that is unique to our culture.
Namaste.
Doing a namaste, yeah.
In foreigners, they shake hand, no? Handshake.
Okay. Santa, so when you say foreign, so outside India, it is all foreign. Nepal is a foreign country. Sri Lanka is a foreign country.
Okay.
Nepal has a culture. Sri Lanka has a culture. Pakistan has a culture. UK has a culture. France has a culture. So every culture is different.
Every country they have difference. Okay.
Right. So every culture has something unique.
Okay.
Do you know something unique to any culture? Think about it. I'll come back. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do you know something unique about any particular culture that you want to tell us?
Sir, India's culture is particularly unique than other cultures, sir. In our country, sir, different peoples, different traditions, and different their languages are in one country, sir. But in other country, one language in one country, sir. I think it is different traditional or different wearing in our country, sir. It is a one unique country, all of in world.
Okay, so you're saying India is a unique country because there are so many languages, so many different cultures. Yeah,
Yes,
in
sir.
one country.
Yes, sir.
I totally agree. Bhavan?
Yeah, sir. I think unique means something outstanding. Like Diwali festival is a unique festival in our India.
Okay.
That like notes.
Yes, kind of. You can say that.
Yeah.
So I was just talking about something particular that is, that stands out about a particular culture,
Yeah.
or something very different, something exclusive to them. Like, for example, some things you only
Yes.
find in Japanese culture, some things you only find in the
Yeah.
French culture, some things you only find in the
Yes.
Indian culture,
Yeah.
right? So,
Yes.
I'll tell you something unique about the Indian culture. So
Yeah.
we have this tradition where the young people or the younger
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
touch the feet of their elders.
Yeah. Touch the feet to respect the elders. Yeah.
Yeah, to show respect to elders, right?
Yeah.
Now that is unique to our culture. No other
Yes.
culture in the world follows that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have
Yes, sir. It is unique, sir. This tradition is you cannot see anywhere.
anywhere else in the world,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
All right, Priyanshu, yes sir, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Unique means, sir, like Adivasi cultures is unique for all cultures, from all cultures, because they not wearing full of clothes and wear some teeth of animals, and they are also dancing in a different way. That's it.
So okay. So that means every culture, that Adivasi, what is the English word for that? Tribal.
I don't, sir. Tribal.
Tribal.
Tribal. Yes, sir.
So when you say tribal culture, every tribal culture is unique. Every tribe is unique. For example, if you have a tribe here, now that will be different from a tribe that you have 50 kilometers ahead. So every tribe is different. Every tribe has their own culture.
Yes, sir. Every tribal have his own culture, but it is different for another culture. It is unique because every person see that it is like shock for him.
Yeah, correct. Okay, all right. You can say
Yes,
that,
sir.
Priyanshu. All right. Now I want somebody to make a sense. Yes, Rakesh, you want to say something? Hi, Rakesh.
Hello. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. Rakesh has disappeared. Okay. Nandita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to talk about the lip plates of the Mursi culture. They are the tribal cultures of Africa, and they are seen in the Ethiopia, one of the last tribes in Africa, and they in the lips and the mouth of the woman wear a large pottery or wooden plates in their lower lip. And the Mursi girl reaches the age of, when the Mursi girl reaches the age of 15 or 16, her lower lip is cut by her mother or another older woman in the settlement, and the cut is held open by a wooden plug for about 3 months while it heals. And Mursi members are rather egalitarian, and girls are never forced to have their lips pierced. It's totally a personal choice. But every Mursi girls can do it. They think that if they done that, then everyone will praise her for their beautifulness, and they think that they are the beautiful girls in the world.
Okay. So see, that is something like that is unique.
This is one of the different and unique cultures which I have heard about, and the Mursi culture have another one thing. They cut their hairs and made the clips like the flowers feather, and they stitched in their scalp with the hairs. And so this is a different culture in the tribal areas which we can see in Africa, because they believe in um, the superstitions, and for that they used to do that.
Okay. So they used to do that, or they do that even now?
Sorry, sir. Begin.
Used to is past, a discontinued habit. I used to smoke, now I don't. I used to drink, now I don't. Used to.
They do that.
Okay. Good job, ma'am. Nandita, but you said beautifulness. Beautifulness or beauty?
Beauty.
And you
Sir,
said, yeah.
one thing with you that in our West Bengal we have one culture that there is in the tribal areas of the villages. The girls are waiting for their husbands, and their husbands are when it is a marriage ceremony. The husbands are staying upon a hill, and they are waiting for their wives because they don't want to marry them. Then their wives promise them that if they marry them, then they will take care of her husband and they will work. Don't they will not her husband will not to work and not to do anything. They will give them food. So that's why then the husband will come to the lower portion. I mean, come to the land and marry the girls. And there is another thing that they are wait. I want to have the language at first.
Sorry.
Then I have to form the sentence that they're giving one wine or that thing to their husband. Then their husband came down to them.
Okay, so basically they bribe them. They bribe them with wine.
Yes, sir.
I see. Yeah, I totally agree. There's a culture like that also exists in my culture. You're right. You're right. Okay. Okay, that's very interesting, Nandita. That's very interesting. So you have to bribe the groom to come down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's very interesting. Yes, Guram.
Sir,
Guram?
good evening, sir. Just
Yeah,
now yeah, sir. Just now I joined, sir. I think is little bit. I think issue was that my phone. I updated the app and just now I joined.
Okay. All right, sir. So tell me
Like
something
what,
interesting about your culture.
sir? Culture, sir. Sir, I can say that the festival in Indian, sir.
About your culture. Yeah, the place you're from.
Hello.
Yes, yes, the place you're from. Where are you from?
I am from AP, sir. AP.
Okay.
AP, sir.
Tell me something about
Andhra Pradesh.
interesting about your hello.
Sir, actually, sir.
Tell me something interesting about your
Sir,
culture.
tell me, sir. Okay, sir, sure. Sir, actually, is like AP is here is a one festival is they're doing is like a Ugadi. Ugadi is like a newer kind of thing. They will use they will wear all traditional clothes for everyone. They will buy everyone for new clothes, like traditional, and they will wear new clothes and they will do that puja. After that, they have to make a sweet and they will do after that, after eating the food they will go for a movie and they will enjoy that culture in our AP country.
Okay, all right. So you think that is interesting? So
That
that
the
is
biggest
interesting
festival
about
in
our culture.
AP, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. All right, sir. Thank you. Akshay?
Yes, sir. I'm from Maharashtra, sir.
Hmm.
In my state is different kind of culture in my state, sir. Sir, in our vacations or it is very roomy or very kind of people are create new things in one.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
In our culture, sir, different types of clothes wearing different types of saris or different types of traditionals are created in Maharashtra, sir.
Okay, so you can say there is a lot of diversity in Maharashtra. There is a lot of diversity in Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at the word number 9. Akshay.
Diversity. Yes, sir. Diversity.
Diversity means something very different.
But sir, I can't to diversity is I can't explain or matlab.
Diversity.
Diversity, yes.
Diversity.
Diversity.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
You can also say my culture is very diverse.
Diverse. Okay.
My culture is diverse. Diverse is an adjective.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Please repeat that after me. The
Diverse.
Marathi culture is very diverse.
Yes, sir. Marathi culture is very diverse. Okay.
Okay, all right. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. I know some people raising hand. Yes, Madhu, quickly. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I would like to talk about Indian marriage party. It is a different culture. It's make different to other countries. Our marriage culture is different. Like we are spending a lot of money in marriage, and we are celebrate 10 days, around 8 to 10 days, and we wear a lot of jewelry and expensive.
Madhu, sorry, Madhu, is it marriage or wedding?
Wedding. So we are celebrate different type of, and we are also follow many ethics, and we have to give dowry also, and if I not agree, then we have to give dowry also. So it is a different culture in India, and so it's, and foreigner people are attractive our marriage wedding culture.
Okay. All right. So, Madhu, so you wanted to say in Indian weddings, people exchange dowry. People exchange dowry.
Yes, sir.
People give dowry.
Give dowry.
Dowry.
Spelling, sir? DORI.
DOWRY. DOWRY.
Okay, dowry.
Dowry, yeah.
Dowry, okay.
All right. And then you said foreigners are also attractive to our culture. Not attractive, they are attracted.
Okay, attractive. Foreigners are also attracted
to our culture.
To our culture and ethics also.
Not ethics. Not ethics.
Okay.
Our culture and traditions.
Okay, culture and tradition. And food also, sir.
Yeah. See? So India is diverse. India is a diverse country. India is a diverse country.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. All right. Thank you, Madhu. Thank you. All right, guys, let's move on. Let's go to the next one. Rakesh, you want to say something really quick? Yes, sir. Rakesh? No. Rakesh cannot be reached. Okay. All right, guys. So let me now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys ask one question to whoever you want. Or Ejaz, I want you to ask one question. I want you to ask one question to Gurram. Gurram?
Yes, sir.
Gurram, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Yes.
Okay, Akash.
Sorry. Where are you from?
Ejaz, choose one question. Yeah. No, leave the first one. Something.
I do ask question from Akash or Gaurav, sir.
You're asking to Gurram.
Hello.
Ejaz is asking a question to Gurram.
Who is Gaurav? Okay. Okay. Where are you from, Gaurav? Hello.
Yeah, I am from AP. Hello, I am from AP.
AP.
Hello.
AP. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you visited any other country?
Yeah, I visited that Karnataka.
No, I'm asking about country.
No, I didn't visit any country.
I haven't visited any other country. I haven't.
No, I haven't visited any other country.
Again, repeat that.
No, I haven't visited any country.
I haven't visited.
No, I haven't visited any country. Visited, it will come. Okay. No, I haven't visited any other country.
Yes, sir. All right, Ejaz.
Okay.
Ejaz, one sec.
Yes, sir.
You kept saying, you will. No, who said you will? Were you the one who said you will? Okay, it was not you. Okay, sorry. Priyanshu, I want you to ask question number 6 to Madhu.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Hi, Madhu.
Hello.
Hi, Madhu.
Hi.
I am asking for 6th question. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, is there a foreign language that you would like to learn?
Yes, definitely. I would like to learn English language. It is a foreign language, and I also learn French also.
Okay.
It is a very good and mixed to English language. I think for
Yes.
French language is
Yes, sir.
similar, little bit similar, not too. So I would like to
Okay.
learn.
Okay. Madhu, ask number 8 to Priyanshu.
Yes, sir. Hi, Priyanshu.
Hi.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Yes, I would like to eat all Indian foods because I am vegetarian. So I like to
Okay.
eat Indian foods like dal bati, rice and pulses.
I like also dal bati because I'm from Rajasthan, so I
Yes,
like also dal bati.
with bagan bharta.
Okay.
Also sweets, mithai, rasgulla, gulab jamun, etc. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I think we have some food lovers in the class. Okay, Priyanshu and Madhu, thank you very much. All right, Nandita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Nandita, I want you to ask question number 5 to Rakesh. Rakesh, are you there?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Rakesh. What is the language you speak at home?
Yeah. Tell me. Hello.
She asked you,
What is
Rakesh. Listen.
What is the language you speak at home?
Yeah, I am using only I am from Delhi, so I am using the Hindi language. I prefer Hindi language only.
Okay, Rakesh.
Yes, sir.
I'm using Hindi. उसका हिंदी क्या है? I'm using Hindi. मैं हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करता हूँ, right?
Using मतलब
So we do not say we using. Say we speak Hindi at home. We speak
Okay.
Hindi at home.
Okay, I speak Hindi at home.
Okay. Right. Now, Rakesh, I want you to ask number 8 to Nandita. 8.
Okay. Nandita, what kind of food do you like to eat?
As I am a Bengali, so I like rice and fish to eat.
Okay. Any other sweets or anything? Because in Calcutta, different type of sweets are available.
Yes, I like to eat rasgulla, gulab jamun, and the sweets because our city is the city of joy. We like the sweets the most.
Okay, all right. Nandita, you said I like rice and fish to eat, or I like to eat rice and fish?
I like to eat rice and fish.
Good. Okay, all right. Thanks, Rakesh. Thanks, Nandita. I'm going to put Rakesh on mute here. 1 second. So, I'm not spoken to who? Baban. Hi, Baban.
Yes, sir.
Baban and Veena. Veena and Baban.
Okay.
Baban, ask number 7 to Veena.
Okay. Hello, Bina. Which festival do you celebrate?
We celebrate all Indian festivals like Dasra, Deepavali, Krishnashtami.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, all these things. All these festivals we celebrate.
Okay, all right. Ma'am, can you ask number 4 to him?
Yes, sir. Is there a country that you would like to visit soon?
Yes, I would like to visit Australia.
Why?
So my so-called sister is there. So
Have you gone there? Have you visited?
No, I have not got chance to go there yet.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Guys, so when you were speaking, you guys made 2 mistakes. One is when somebody said, have you visited there?
Yeah.
So you can say, have you visited Australia? Have you visited that place? But don't say, have you visited there?
Okay, sir.
And that is Hindi. That is Hindi. That is called vernacularism. Have you visited there? मतलब वहाँ गए हो. उसको English में बोलो तो have you visited there?
Have you been there, sir?
Have you been there is right.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
Bhavan, good job.
Yeah.
And Bhavan, you said so-called sister. So-called is a negative connotation. So don't say so-called.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know the exact word. it is not my close sister. It is my जैसे मुंह बोली बहन रहती है ना वैसे।
Just say my sister. That's enough. She's not my real sister. All right. Thank you, Baban. Thank you, Veena. All right, guys. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next one. Now here, I want you to, now I think we are short of time, guys, but then still I will give one chance to one person. Let's go to Nandita. Nandita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So I want you to talk about your, difference and similarities of your city with Madhu. Yes, Madhu, go ahead. Madhu, Nandita.
Hello.
Now talk about weather, traffic, food, clothes, language spoken. Talk to each other.
So Madhu, where are you from?
I can't clear what you're saying.
Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from Jaipur.
Okay, so how is the climate there?
Where are you? Here, there's climate is fluctuate. Climate different. Sometimes is cloudy, sometimes is sunny days. So it is a fluctuate weather. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Kolkata, and how is the traffic?
There's traffic is so crowded, so much. How to say sir? Traffic बहुत ज़्यादा. Too much traffic. There is a too much traffic.
You can say that it's a climate.
There is a lot of traffic.
Lot of traffic. And
how is the food?
How is the weather in Kolkata?
Yes, the weather is very sunny, and it is bright and sunny, and we can enjoy the weather very much. Thank you for asking.
Okay. What type of food people have?
Yes, we basically have the rice and fish in our lunch, and in our dinner we can eat roti or chapatis, and also
there is a watery area, I think. So fishes are available easily, but in Jaipur, fishes are not available easily. So there's people they are not eat fish in Jaipur.
Okay. So guys, now talk about the traditional clothes of your areas. Nandita, Madhu.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please ask
what
me.
type of clothes? What type of clothes people have wear there?
Yes, we wore the clothes like the saris and Punjabis, and also the kurtas. What about your tradition?
In our city, mostly people, women are wear sari, and in village area, langa and odhni also, and men's are wear dhoti kurta, and it is our traditional clothes.
Mother, please tell me which language you speak in your home.
I'm usually often I use my Hindi language, but I can understand Marwadi language, and I can talk little bit in Marwadi language.
Okay. Thank you, Madhu, and thank you, Nandita. We are a little short of time right now, guys. So thank you very much for attending this class. I'm really sorry to cut you short. I need to complete something else right now. I need to quickly tell the new people in the class about the courses of Enguru and how you can access these courses. Right, so we have 4 types of courses here at Enguru. We have a group spoken English course, and then we have a one-on-one spoken English course. Group spoken is just like today when you're in the class with lots of other students, and then we have a one-on-one when you are in the class exclusively learning English with a teacher of your choice and the content of your choice. We also have the one-on-one interview preparation course, plus we have the IELTS course. So 4 types of courses here for adults. Right, and please use the coupon code Arun20 and you will get a 10% discount. Arun, not 20, sorry, Arun 10, my mistake. Arun 10, and you will get a 10% discount. All right, guys. So 4 types of courses. Use the coupon code Arun 10. We also have courses for kids. A very similar format. We have okay, and we have group classes for them, and then we also have a one-on-one classes for them where they're learning English exclusively.